So this is the Yonana. It's a healthy dessert fruit soft serve maker. It is amazing. You just grab frozen fruit. We froze bananas and we also froze like strawberries and mangoes, and you put it through there and you turn it on and it creates soft serve consistency just with the fruit itself. No added ingredients. It's amazing. I highly recommend it. The bananas taste so good. That's mango. It turns into soft serve consistency too. You just have to add a lot more than the banana. The strawberries, they were a little bitter because the strawberries weren't sweet, so I mixed it with banana and it tasted so good. Strawberry mango banana mixture was delicious. And then you can also add like chocolate chips, but I wanted to show you the consistency. So this is my Jakey showing you what the consistency. It looks just like soft serve and it tastes just like it too. It's amazing. I am obsessed with it and I highly recommend it to all my friends who want that like sweet, who have a sweet tooth or have kids with a sweet tooth like me, but you don't want to get them ice cream at the time. This is it. It's amazing. It's so delicious. Like, I highly recommend, my friends. So good.